Hey man, oh fuck, son of a bitch. Just caught myself, man. Hey man, say man, yo, fuck no lie what time it is, man. It's your boy Sauce Boy, and you know we back at the fucking Bimmer graveyard. Type shit, you know what I'm saying? We got the legend. You know what I'm saying? Right here, it's on the floor now, you know what I'm saying? Shit only got dropped. Shit is slammed, yo. Look at this. Look at this. Shit is slammed, fool. But yeah, so basically, I got to the shop. I was actually just coming to check out the boys. I just got an alignment done. You know what I'm saying? So we did the alignment and I got the wheel balance. I said I got the balance done, and then I ordered the O2 sensor because my O2 sensor is fucking cooked. So I just ordered that right now. What else did I have to do? Oh, anyways, when I pulled up to the shop, my car started misfiring. Scanned that bitch and ended up finding out one of my coal packs fucking it's done. You know what I'm saying? Cylinder 1. So I said, wait, I remember we got a motherfucker Bimmer graveyard over here. Oh shit, I didn't even know the seats got taken out. Hold up, let me change the lighting in here. The seats are out because he's replacing, he put them on his new car. Seats are out. Yep. Alright. Anyways, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, open the trunk. Same, we gotta do that shit twice. Okay, fuck man, fucking bin. Alright, well, engine cover gone. Take that bitch out. Oh, I gotta move this little thing right here for a little second. Cylinder 1. Actually, wait. Remember, let me make it lighter. There you go. Cylinder 1, 2, 3, and 4. We need to get one out. This is the one we need right here. Fuck. I'm wearing all white. This was not. I wasn't even like, hold on, man. I didn't even think I was gonna come work today, man. Fucking bitch ass. Just popped it up. Oh. Popped it up. Okay. Plug it off. Okay, unplugged it. Alright. I just twist and pull out. I need 2 hands for this, so y'all gonna have to. Just like that. Here's the bitch. Gotta go replace this and put it on my car. Hopefully that works. Fuck, let me put this shit back together. Give me let me put this shit back together. Hold on. Damn, that's funny. I'm so high, almost fucking. So you know I had to smoke some. Oh fuck that! I'm so high, I almost fucking. What's it called? Almost slammed the camera in there. You know what I'm saying? That's how high I am. Fuck. That shit.
What are you putting the cooling in the journey?
Yeah.
Which one is it?
Cylinder 1.
Cylinder 1.
Yeah, this just opens up. Oh, there's no.
This is a double?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's a 4-cylinder.
Yeah, the double. You're getting a misfire in that one.
You know, these things are bad for. Okay, plug's good. Wire's good. Okay, that all looks good. Okay, these things are bad for these injectors, so you know.
Oh yeah?
If you keep having problems, it could be that injector.
Okay. That's a fuel injector?
Yep. Okay. These things are, well, the other V6s were, like, I changed lots of them.
Oh
yeah? Yeah, so I'm just assuming this is The same. That's an Alex question.
Yeah.
Is it all the time or just once in a while?
Joe, this just started.
Start it up, right? Actually, no, you can't because I got those two hoses on.
Yeah, you have to put the fan, the hose into.
Everything else looks fine.
Everything else
I can't
looks
see
fine?
nothing.
I don't see nothing.
I don't see nothing bad, which is good, right?
Yeah. I kept getting it on the sensor. It kept saying cylinder
I know.
one, cylinder
It
one.
could be a spark plug. It could be.
Oh yeah, that's what I was saying.
Things.
Yeah, it could be multiple things. Yeah.
Right. So I was just looking at make sure. But
Spark plugs look good.
well, you got to take them out. They're screwed in.
Oh, they're screwed in.
That coil goes on top.
I want to replace them anyways.
They're
so it's about time.
Do the good shit when you do it.
Yeah.
Do the proper plugs when you do it, because if not, this thing will never run right.
They'll never run right. What are the proper plugs?
BMW, I forget. They're
Well, but they have to be BMW ones.
not BMW. BMW doesn't make the plug itself, but there's ones that BMW recommends.
Yeah.
They're iridiums. Okay, the car will run way better. It'll be better on gas. Everything.
Oh, yeah?
Let's stir it up right now and see what it does.
Okay, we're about to start this up and see what it does. Oh. Hold on, y'all heard that? It needs a boost, yo. The batteries, battery. Fuck. Man, my battery's, it's about time I buy a new battery. It's about time I buy a new battery. This battery is annoying. Like, yo, this shit never charges, man. This battery never charges. I don't understand. You see anything else?
Battery's fucked. I don't see nothing else.
Nothing else?
Okay.
Everything else look good?
There's that.
Alright.
Boosted. And then
Boosted. We'll come. Alright. Sweet, man. I need the fucking booster pack. Where is it?
in here.
The green one's in here? I'll bring it up.
No, you're not running that right now, are you?
Booster pack. Booster pack. I didn't even want to work on none today, bro. This is ridiculous. Oh yeah, that's the red, go positive. Okay, it's firm. Put in a negative. Looking sturdy. Alright, I'm gonna come start it up. You let me know what you... Oh shit, let me move my camera up. How about that? Alright, start it up again. Try this again. And right now?
Was it running like that before?
Running like this?
No, it's running like shit.
Yeah, it runs running like shit. See, drivetrain malfunction. I keep getting drivetrain. I'm getting drivetrain malfunction.
Okay, was it doing this before though? Just like that?
Yeah.
Then you have other issues.
Maybe. Fuck. So it's definitely not that. But why keep saying cylinder one?
Cylinder one is the issue, but there's multiple things in cylinder one. And there's injector for each cylinder.
Yeah.
You have to check it over. Check spark plug, check compression, check the fuel injector.
Yeah.
And figure it out, right?
Yeah.
There's 4 or 5 different things that could be each cylinder, but you know it's cylinder one, but there's 4 or 5 different things that could be doing it.
Yeah, I could be doing
Okay,
it.
but it's not the coil.
It's not the coil, yeah.
No, you gotta pull the spark plug out, check the spark plug, and check a couple things.
Okay.
All right.
Alright.
A few moments later.
Whoa, fuck. Yep. Look at this fucking bitch. I still have to clean the engine bay, but fuck. I ain't had time yet, but fuck, bro. This some bullshit, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. This is actual bullshit, bro. Fuck. So yeah, we changed that and still fucking doing the same thing. But bro said I gotta clear the code. And maybe, you know, let's see what happens. But like, I don't think that's gonna make a difference, clearing the code or not. Fuck, man. Yo, this car is just fucking... Trying to revive this bitch is ridiculous, bro. At this point, you know what I'm saying? It's like, holy fuck, can I live? Like, can I fucking live, bro? Fuck. Yeah, man, you know the vibes. Out here at the shop, busting a sweat. Saying it's getting fucking hot in here. See the whole view. It's hot as hell out too, man, I ain't gonna lie. It's so nice. It's hot. I should have been at the beach today. God damn. Should have low-key been at the beach today. Try it again. We put 2 new coils. Yeah. Put 2 new coils, so we finna see. I got bro over here, man. This gotta be cooking, man. This got professional right here. I ain't gonna lie. But my car, I don't know. This misfiring shit is annoying, bro. I ain't gonna lie, man. Yeah, let's see what it does, man. Smooth, eh? Oh, stop doing that, even the raspy. Thank you, depends on everything, is it?
This is normal, bro. My boy's 2021 BMW,
Yeah.
my word is shaking like that.
Yeah?
Same thing, bro. It's forcing. See, let me show you the riding noise, bro.
Yeah, the rattling noise.
Right here.
Yeah.
Right over there.
Oh, yeah?
So I guess you might something flooring it too much.
No,
Sometimes you floor it.
I haven't really.
When you floor it, this moves actually and it opens the turbo right over.
Oh, yeah?
It gives more power to the engine.
I never tried flooring it. Oh, yeah?
Yeah. And now it's good. No misfire, nothing.
Oh, go
Try
for
this.
Yeah, let's go. You hop in. Let's go take it for a cruise, man. About to go take it for a quick cruise, man. You drive, yo. Let me put this on the floor.
Turn the AC off. Sometimes when the AC is on,
Yeah,
it shakes.
Yeah, it
because
does.
there's if you want to turn it off or not.
Yeah.
You know,
See, it goes quiet. As soon as you take the AC off, it goes quiet and shit.
back camera too.
Yeah. How's it driving? I just got the alignment done too just now.
Shit, bro. We gotta reset this whole.
Yeah, the whole.
The problem, there's no good scanner out here. We gotta fucking. I'm actually trying to buy a good scanner.
Oh yeah?
Hotel, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Because sometimes, because right now we're all dealing with BMWs right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so fucking. Sometimes when you're doing a turn, yeah.
Yeah, you feel it? No exhaust system. Bro, when it was misfiring, it would sound like. Did you hear that? Is there a hole in my exhaust? I hear from the back.
It's a wheel bearing on the back.
It's a wheel bearing?
Yeah.
1000%?
1000%.
Which one? I just got a wheel bearing changed, replaced.
On the back one?
On the left, yeah. No, on the right, on the left.
Yeah, you might have a right one too.
No way, bro. That cost me like $600.
Or one of the front one, I'm pretty sure. Because some, you don't really know if it's the, you don't have the bottom, right?
No. You don't know, eh?
Yeah. But you know what you do? You just put it on the hoist.
Drivetrain fuck on.
You just put it on the hoist, bro.
Oh, yeah.
And then you chuck it.
Okay. So I should just bring it in for like a checkup.
Yeah. Fuck. The voice is not on right now, you know?
I know, yeah, over here. It's not.
Yeah, the quickly turn here.
Yeah, see, drivetrain pop back on.
Drivetrain?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Look, drivetrain malfunction. I don't know why it does that. It's so annoying, you know. He's driving different now. Yeah, the drivetrain.
That's why the ABS is on.
Yeah, the ABS was on, I know. And then what? I went to get it tested with an actual BMW, and then he told me it was the left wheel bearing, whatever. And that's what we got changed.
And then the sound is on.
And no, he was still doing that. And then he told me the ABS light has to be a wiring issue because he checked. He made sure the sensor was good. He made sure the bearing. He tested out 3-4 times, you know. And he told me, that's like what he told me. So he tested it 3-4 times, and then he said, bro, it has to be a wiring issue. Because I literally checked, I changed the bearing, everything, good. And still,
Definitely sound, bro.
sounds for wheel bearing, yeah? But you don't know which one, eh? You can't tell.
Yeah, you have to put it on the hoist and then put it in drive and then.
That's crazy. I literally just got a wheel bearing fixed, bro.
I feel like it's right side.
Right side?
Right side.
Yeah, let me listen. Yeah, listen. Yeah, it sounds low to me, you're right. It does sound like it, right? I said another day, another BMW problem, right?
Another day, another fucking part.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. But yeah, man, fuck, I guess no misfire. We changed 2 coils, you know what I'm saying? And it stopped the misfiring, but still driving train still came on. And basically, he was just explaining to me, he's saying basically, you know what I'm saying, something's loose over there in the turbo on the left side. I mean, on the right side. So I might have to just fucking thug it out, drive it, or until I'm fucking time to change it, or just change it, or just fucking, I don't know, man. I'm probably gonna get rid of this bitch. But I feel like if I get rid of it, that's gonna defeat the purpose. And I burn myself. Fuck. Look at this, man. It's peeling off with a touch of the hot engine. But anyways, I feel like if I give up on this, I'm gonna give up on my goal, you know what I'm saying? I'm supposed to revive this bitch. You know what I'm saying? But so far I've been driving it probably for like a couple weeks. Every day I'm at the shop, another problem. Every day, another fucking problem. So I gotta do the brakes. You know what I'm saying? Got the O2 sensor coming in, so I gotta do that. And then, fuck. Yeah, that's basically it, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, yo, this motherfucking bitch. But you already know the vibe, man. Today's another day, no misfire. I can drive it home. I was gonna leave it here out here. But fuck, at least I can drive it home, bring it back tomorrow, and tomorrow's another day. I'm tired as fuck. I've been here all day. Gotta go see the dog, you know what I'm saying? Probably hungry, I don't even know. Actually, maybe Hunter gonna feed him. But anyway, that's beside the point, man. Tomorrow's another day, man. We're finna do that. But yeah, you already know the vibe, man. It's your boy Saucy. Come to the BBC Club, motherfucker. You know, bro came through and is about to hook me up with the, you know what I'm saying? The tow hook, license plate. You know what I'm saying? I've been trying to set this up for a minute, but my show, yo, I can't believe, yo, you actually made it better by pulling.
I know, the bumper now it's center.
Yeah, bumper center. It was fucked up. That's crazy. You're a sicko, bro. So I can definitely put you on, because I have a bunch of people that have, a bunch of people that have Bimmer too, you know? I can't
Wait
hook.
until I get fucking M2. I mean M3.
In 3, 4, that's gonna be crazy. You like the pads? They're better, eh?
Oh, yeah,
Then this is. You know what, yo? I should probably get the pads, but.
Bro, I already have a guy right now. He's doing the stage 1. So, my word.
It's gonna be nasty.
Just talk to him, bro.
That's gonna be nasty.
But later, if you.
Oh, I need a knife. I have a knife.
You have a knife? Okay.
Yeah. It's on that side. If you go to like fucking. If you go to fucking car shows and shit like that, I've been trying to go to like takeovers and shit. I don't know.
If I got the M2, I might do my own car meet and shit.
Yo, that'd be hard. Bro, you're a sicko, man.
This guy, you guys, bro. It's gonna cost you. Look on.
Is it okay? I'm helping him do it.
Let me go grab a pliers and crank this up.
A few moments later.
Bro cooked, man. Bro cooked. Bro cooked. Who's that? Yo, you're a sicko, bro. Appreciate you, gang.
No worries, bro.
Oh, shit, that's the shit?
And take this.
Sick? Bro, you're a sicko, bro. Appreciate you, bro. Cheers. Oh, shit, you left the door open. Maybe the battery's gonna be dead now. You see that, bro? That's what I'm talking about. That's that shit. Bro, you killed it, man. Appreciate you, boy.
Suck it up, man.
Bad bitch, you from the D. Talking about saucy, where you at? Brand new Glock, it stays on me. Marshall boys, no, I cannot laugh. I'm with Honcho, with no Wrangles. Catching up and we leaving flat. Hit the strip, then we toss some ones. Paying host wish, been doing that. So much dough just come and goes. Swapping out the card, I'm gonna get some more. Check your phone, I just sent the link. Click that shit, I'm gonna spend some more. Brand new whip, got it out the store. Glizzy made him lean like a Porter 4. Had that boy leaking, had to mop the floor. Heard the fast coming, so I had to go.